Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are on a closed road with two motorcycles. Do you think what is going to happen? Well, it is going to be a drag race between the Yamaha R15 M and my Pulsar NS200. I know what you might be wondering, why we are drag racing the 150cc motorcycle with a 200cc motorcycle, and the answer is the price tag. The R15M is slightly expensive than the NS200, so let's put it on a test and see how both of them perform. And I have heard that weight does matter, and this one has a weight advantage over the NS200. In fact, it does get something called as aerodynamics. So let's see which one of these win. Place your bets, and before that hit that subscribe button, ring that bell if you are new to our channel, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. And because we all know rider weight does impact the race results, so let's swap. क्या लगा था कौन जीतेगा? Did you lose your bet or did you win? Because we have our winner, the NS200. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if not, this was just for entertainment. Do share it with your friends, and if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you are never missing out any update from Rev Explorers. हम लोग Instagram, Facebook और Twitter पे भी available हैं. The handles will be right over here. Go ahead and check out our pages. And I don't think so you will have any questions right now, but if you do, then you can always chat with us on our social media pages or put it in the comment section below. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. See you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and ride safe. Bye bye.